Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 29th of May 2025. So right, see what's happening in gold, starting from weekly. Sorry, in fact, we start from Forex Factory. We got 1:30 p.m. USD news. We got three news, and one is low impact, two is heavy impact. We got another. So in fact, we're four news in USD, 1:30. Three news and one news is 3 p.m. So two are heavy impact 1:30, one is low impact, medium impact, sorry, and 3 p.m. is medium impact as well. So these are the news. So we can see some movement, especially this unemployment claim news, quite important one. And now just let's jump on to the chart starting from weekly. We know the weekly is highly bullish. Previous weekly closed highly bullish, and now this daily there's an evening star as I mentioned and previously, and market came down, then tested this area, now is breaking this area. Sorry, I'm a bit late for the analysis, uh, but anyway, it's not still we have plenty of time for trading. Normally I analyze before, but so what happened here? This is for a daily level here. It was broken, as you can see here. If we go into 4 hour, we can see clear breaking. It's breaking right now as we speak. This level and this is fair value gap here looks like if the market will come up to here, then we'll go back. But anyway, nothing is guaranteed, so we have to go step by step, level to level. So this is a level here, and we can see market coming to this level. And this was the level which was broken, right? So as previously mentioned, this I did say that this level can be broken, or if this is if we this level is held, then we can see more movement to the upside. Now we got this level, and also we got level here as well. See, you can see some retracements already happening from here. So going to that smaller time frame, already we're seeing some movements. I hope this is helpful. If you go live on my YouTube channel, you can see my live stream, and you will if you go on my live stream, I mean, you can see the different levels there. That will help you how to trade. But so as you can see that this movement has already been discussed. So if you still want to know more, watch my previous few videos and you will understand a bit more. I hope this is helpful and thank you very much. I better go on with trading now. Thank you. Bye-bye.